Got a boring one here, just a simple tune-up. Well, I hope it's gonna be simple. We'll see how this video goes, but on this Mitsubishi, I think it's an Outlander, but we're gonna go ahead and take this off. I don't know if this front part has to come off, but I'm going to just because I've never even seen this car before. So a 10 millimeter. Using a 5/8 spark plug socket. These are definitely do. Factory recommends NGK. There you go. Do it by hand, give it a nice little wiggle around like that just to make sure you're not cross-threading and it's going down smooth, which it is. thick filter. That fits in perfectly. And I guess we'll take care of this for them. You know, the thing that's all covered in water. You know, the cap's supposed to keep water out. Alright, I see why they didn't put this back. I'm gonna fiddle with this for a while. Alright, next let's give the battery a test. I guess I can shut this light off. Alright. Get a nice glare. It's in the vehicle, it's a battery test. Regular battery, cold cranking up 640. Good battery. Recharge. Let's give it a charge real quick. Alright, now that while that's charging, let's go ahead and see if we can't find the cabin air filter. Let that stuff temporarily drop. Here it is. Not terrible, I mean dirty, don't get me wrong. I've seen a lot worse. Check your fan in here, make sure it's no wobble. Feel for missing teeth too. You might as well since you have it off. But we got the FVP 4857. And that's it. Battery is good. Last but not least, get the oil change done. This is a 17 millimeter. Jack up the passenger side. Really is all you need. Wow, usually these come right off, man. This thing's got some grip. And up between these two little pieces of plastic up here is the actual oil filter. There we go. So let's get that drained. This oil filter is the 7317. Let's get all this stuff tightened up and finish. Last but not least, we need 4.5 quarts of 0W20. Now, they've been putting full synthetic, so we're gonna continue with the full synthetic. And that's really going to conclude our tune-up. I did check everything else out, did a full system scan, you got up some other codes and whatnot. So if we come back, you can like and subscribe to my channel, see if there's any more videos, if we get hired for those jobs. But if not, yep, that's how we do a tune-up on this vehicle. Thanks for watching.